What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Welcome to Stanley's Review. It's your boy Stan here. Before I start the video today, I want you guys to hit the subscribe button in order to help me achieve my goal of getting to 4,000 subscribers. Help a brother out. Today we're going to be talking about my desk and organizing my desk. I'm coming along. I'm going to show you exactly how much further I've gotten since I started this project of organizing my workspace and reorganizing my workspace, to say the least. Pretty much, we're going to talk about file cabinets. I was able to get myself a pair of file cabinets. One I got off of Amazon, and I'm going to give you the pitfalls of that, and also one I got off Facebook Marketplace. I'll also show you the pitfalls of that as well. They're both the same brand. They're both Poppin. That's the name of the brand. I'll leave the link in the description below if you're interested in getting yourself one as well. But I'm gonna actually detail to you guys fully how things came about. I'm gonna actually identify each one to you guys and show you guys what issues that I'm having with my office file cabinets. I chose to get two because I have quite a lot of stuff to store. I had quite a lot of stuff to organize, and the two actually works perfect. And one obviously was not retail price, and obviously you get what you pay for. And the other one was full retail price on Amazon. It came back with a few dings and scratches on it, considering that they're all metal. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I mean by that. Let's get into the video further, guys. All right, guys. Don't mind my LeBron 17s over there. I'm gonna be doing a video on those pretty soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for that, so you can get to see that video. But this is the file cabinet that I'm talking about. Those are top-end file cabinets, and everything works in it. Is actually perfect. This is the one I got from Amazon. But obviously during shipping, there's quite a lot of scratches that took place. If you could see here, I could actually sand that and repaint it, but it's not necessary. There's a few scratches on the side. I elected to keep it. It had a little ding there too, right there. If you look there, it had a little ding there, but it's really no big deal. As you could see here, it's decent size. I can store all of my stuff. As you could see here, I can store all of my stuff, so I can actually have my glasses, stapler, you name it, all of my stuff. And the lock on this works perfectly, and that's actually awesome. The key works great. So this is the storage area here. There's a few pictures of me being a young man, and that's pretty much all my organization right there. Everything is stored in the proper places. That's pretty cool. And this is actually a 3-drawer, as you can see, 3-drawer right there. Like I said, don't mind the Jordans, the LeBron 17s that are back there. I'm gonna be doing a review on those. That's why they're back here. Yeah, that's pretty much that in a nutshell. So now we're gonna move on to the one I got off of Facebook Marketplace, and I'll show you exactly what I got going on with that one. This one is blue. The one from Facebook Marketplace is red. So yes, guys, so since I have quite a lot of stuff to store, this is the one I purchased from Facebook Marketplace. Looks like quite similar. Got a bunch of scratches on it as well. It's the same brand, Toppin. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so you can get you one as well if you're interested. Same 3-drawer process. Definitely good to file. You know, all my files are in here. All my laptops, electronics are in a second drawer. pretty much, and the first drawer has mail and all sorts of important paperwork. But the issue that I'm running into is this top drawer is not closing for some reason, besides it having a few dings here and there. And I figured out the reason. The lock on this one is completely different than the one I showed you before. As you can see, that lock is perfect and it works perfect. And the interior of the lock in itself is different as well. This one is because the latch is way too long and way too big on this one right here. So pretty much what I have to do is shave this down some. So I'm gonna actually do a little bit of rendering, take this latch out, measure it against this baby here in order to get this to lock properly and close properly, because this drawer is not closing because it's way too long. This latch here is hitting the interior white frame of the cabinet, and that's what's causing it not to close. So that's pretty much what's killing the vibe with that one. Be careful what you buy on Facebook Marketplace. It may look the same, it may look amazing, but eventually it doesn't end up working out in your favor, or you have to put in far more work into it than need be. The locking itself works. As you could see, I could lock and remove the key. The mechanism in itself works. It's just that the latch, as you can see up here, is way too long. So that's pretty much that in a nutshell in regards to this cabinet. They're great cabinets. They're metal. They're awesome. You can't really go wrong with them because they're fireproof as well. So all your files will be protected in case the house catch on fire, or your electronics will be protected in case anything get caught in a fire or something of that sort. But the problem with it is I need to get this to lock so I can lock my files and all my stuff, and it's not working out. And I don't want to redo this whole work again and swap the blue one to the red one, the one that locks. I'm just gonna find a way to just, engineer around it and make that work. So if you guys have any comments, or if you guys have any suggestions, feel free to let me know in the comments below on how to go about doing that. If I'm supposed to change the locks, let me know. If I'm supposed to change that lock, let me know in the comment below. And these are actually pretty expensive. They could go up to $400 for these file cabinets. And I was able to find the one I found on Facebook Marketplace obviously was not retail price. So this is, you get what you pay for, this red one here. And obviously this one was retail price, and it cost me a pretty penny to get that. I'll leave the link in the description below. They have a sale going on them right now, so you can actually maybe if you're looking to organize your home office, you can actually use one as well. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't hesitate to like, hit me up in the comments, and subscribe to the channel as well for more quality content like this. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Peace.